So hello guys, what's up? We are back again with another question from our DSA challenge series. So let's get started. So guys, today our question is design front, middle, back view. So in this question, we need to design a data structure such that we can pop or push, that is insert and delete from all the three ways, front, back, and also the middle element. Of course, we would like to have in the minimum possible time complexity or a constant time complexity. So let's see how we can do that. Now, the first intuition when it comes to middle elements and deleting elements is of linked list. So we can maintain a linked list since a middle element is also there, and that too a doubly linked list, so that what we can do, we can also move around very easily in the linked list. Okay, just we need to change the nodes and we can delete, and we can either go forward or go backwards. So we will have linked list as our data structure. So let's see the constructor. In the constructor, we can simply assign head, tail, and mid pointers. We will have, as we need front, middle, and back, so we will have all the three, and size as 0. Now we need to push in all the three ways and pop in all the three ways. So let's see the functions one by one. So what does the push front means? Push front means simply push at head. Okay, so push at head. So we will, what we will do, we will implement the push at head, insert at head function. So if head equals to null, tail equals to null, mid equals to null, that is there is no element, so we will point all the three pointers to the head pointer only, that temp pointer only, which we will make all the times in case of all the pushes. Now we will insert at head. Now this one is by observation, since mid can also change if the head, if the insertion, so middle pointer can also change. So if the size percentage 2, if the size after, it is by observation only, it is if the size is even after insertion, then we need to shift the mid backwards by 1. Okay, so it is intuitive as well. It is so if the size is increasing from the left, then mid will tend to go towards left. In the pop front, we will see that mid will tend to go towards righter side. Okay, so push middle. Now push middle, we need to push at the middle position. That is, uh, in this case, there can be two cases. That is, we need to push between the middle element or the next and the next element, or previous to mid and its and the mid element. So we will decide this by using the previous size logic. Now, if the previous size percentage 2 equals to 0, that is previous size of before insertion to the middle is a even number, then we will, what we will do, then simply we need to insert between mid and mids next. Okay, and if it is not, then simply we need to insert between mids previous and mid. So we will insert that. That's very simple. And then that particular element which we inserted will become our middle element. So yeah guys, this is the way. Push back, we will provide this code in the description guys. Push back, very simple. Push at tail function, we will push at tail, and simply we will check if we need to move forward or we need to move backward. We can check it by using this condition, previous size minus 1 by 2. If it is not equal to size minus 1 by 2, then we can simply move the mid to next position, else no need to move. Okay, now pop front is simply deletion from front element. That can also impact our, that can also impact our middle element, so we need to take care of that as well. So yeah, same here. If previous size by 2 is not equals to size by 2, then mid equals to, then we will have to increment the mid. Elsewhere, elsewise it is not needed. Okay. Now pop middle function as well similarly. So pop middle function, in this function, we need to take care if the size is even, then we will move the mid. Okay, so we are moving the mid. So either we can move it rightwards or leftwards. So if the size percentage 2 is not equals to 0, then we need to move it leftwards. That is mid is equals to mid's previous. Else we need to move it to rightwards. And pop back function as well. We need to make decision. So if the previous size or the size before, sometimes I have used size or previous size, percentage 2 is not equals to 0, then we need to move it to previous, else we can move it farther. So yeah, guys, we will provide the code. It was a observation based pretty much question. So yeah, guys, this was all from this question. Thank you so much, guys, for watching this video. Just in case you like the video, you like the question, make sure you hit the like button, press the subscribe button, and share it with your friends. Thank you so much, guys. We shall see you next time.